In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to enable voice chat on Roblox Mobile. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. Now, voice chat is a great way to communicate with other players during gameplay, making the experience more interactive. To get started, make sure you are at least 13 years old and that your age is correctly set on your Roblox account. Head to the bottom right of the screen, tap on More, then scroll down to find Settings and Account Info. Check that you are marked as 13 plus. Next, in account info, make sure you have added and verified your phone number. Tap on add phone number to enter your number. After entering it, you will receive a verification code via SMS. Once entered, your number will be verified. After that, go back to account info, tap privacy and then select communication. You should see the option for voice chat. Tap there and make sure the enable microphone option is switched on. Now you are ready to jump into a game. You'll notice a microphone icon in the top left of the screen. Tap it to unmute yourself and you can start talking to other players in the game. If you want to mute your microphone, then just repeat the process. Tap on the microphone icon and you can simply mute or unmute your microphone, and that's it. Now you can enjoy voice chat in Roblox Mobile. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.